Now you can go.
Ew, dude.
Ew.
Again.
Seriously?
Yes.
You're scaring the crap out of it, Tori.
I don't think I am. I think it's just like a mentally retarded bird.
Maybe. I think it's gonna eat you.
Come here, Bernie. Fred. Your name's Fred.
His name's Fred.
His name's Fred.
I want to try.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Is it gonna eat me?
I really don't know. It didn't even stutter, man. Dude, we should get a close-up of this.
This is scary.
How do you
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm getting close-up of this bird.
Freaking eat
Oh, look
me.
at this bird. Look at this bird, man. It's coming towards me. It's coming towards. No, it's flying. It's flying. It's gonna fly. Wait, it's not flying.
Fly, you bird. Oh my god, fly.
Oh, I think its wings hurt.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
Oh, that's right. Hide under the car, man. Hide under the car.